central Anson County and central North Carolina, central Richmond County and central North Carolina, until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:02 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Ansonville, or near Wadesboro, moving east at 15 miles per hour. The following hazards are expected: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. The following impacts are expected: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rockingham, Wadesboro, Ansonville, Eller, Lylesville, East Rockingham, Blewett Falls Lake, Covington, and Sand Hills Game Land.
Bro.
The following is a special weather statement. Strong thunderstorms
I
will
literally
impact
wasn't
southwestern
expecting this
Moore,
shit.
Anson, Montgomery,